Alrighty, we just got started. Welcome back again, everybody. Bugi here. As always, we're going to take a look at what's happening as of today in Bitcoin as well as in cryptocurrencies. Right now, we got a couple of news that I want to mention before we get into the altcoin names that you guys are interested in. So make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and also follow us on Discord as well. Why don't we straight up jump into it? So we got Bitcoin is still on course to hit $500,000 in 5 years, says a Skybridge Capital founder. You know, I mean, it's crazy that these guys are still making these claims, but look, I think he's not wrong. And I think there's a good chance that we're going to hit like I honestly think we're going to hit like by 2026, we're going to hit a $1 million mark, okay, by 2026. And potentially this year is going to be the catalyst for it to boost the Bitcoin's price. We'll see what happens, but obviously PayPal stablecoin, what it could mean for the payments. We are seeing all the companies that are like kind of in the banking industry and specifically in like payment mechanisms that they created like PayPal. They're getting into the stablecoin industry. I mean, they're creating their own stablecoin to actually capture that wave. They just recently jumped into the crypto wave by offering the products and services that you can buy and invest into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. They are aware of the wave that we are creating right now, and that being the case, they're putting everything they had into this ecosystem right now because they are aware of the giant wave that is coming up, and that's really great to see. What else we got? We got the Google Cloud hiring team of blockchain experts that are getting into the game, which is really fascinating. All right, the last thing that we have, the New York Times calls crypto the new subprime, which is really interesting. But look, they say this is the next subprime. Are we going to buy this? No, not buying it. I don't think so. Subprime crisis of 2008. In his scathing opinion piece, Krugman made mention of near 50% drawdown in total market cap from November 2021 highs, saying it is uninformed participants that are hurting the most. But there's a growing evidence that the risk of... Get out of here, man. You're going to miss the entire wave. You're going to lose it all. And then we're going to make all the money and dump it on you by the time you buy it. So there you go. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. Everybody's going to get into this game, all right? That's what's going to happen. I'm telling you already right now. We're going to see a massive wave in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And it's going to be caused by the NFT wave. It is already being caused. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, all of them are going to pump like crazy. And specifically the metaverse names and also the NFT waves. They are the gaming sector. Even if you go into a bear market, they are going to survive. The gaming sector is huge, guys. If we put them into the blockchain wave and they actually create their own cryptocurrencies, we're going to see an incredible rally. It's an incredible rally. So look, let's take a look at the altcoins. As you guys know, we have been buying. We only bought 2% this week. Maybe tomorrow we put a little bit more money. But look, I'm thinking we got to see the market open. And yesterday, on the Friday close, the Russell 2000 index, as you guys know this chart over here. What is this chart, Buddha? What do you see over here? Right, what do we see, guys? Now, some of you call me Bugi, some of you call me Buddha, whatever you call me. But look, in IWO, according to my perspective, we are trying to form a clear bottom around the 786 level. All right, you're not going to be able to hit this level. It's a tough level to hit. All right, but look, this index that we created over here, the inflation adjusted chart that we created, is telling us right now, right in this moment, we have a massive opportunity in Bitcoin. We have a massive opportunity in the stock market. That is what I see when everybody else is seeing a fear in the market, which is really kind of weird, right? That everybody else is actually selling and we're thinking about buying. But look, we're not buying that fast, right? We are slowly, gradually accumulated, and we have been in cash for a long time now. So they want to sell it right now, and they're finally sold, and we're picking them apart. And that's how we're going to basically clear out the bottom for Bitcoin. That's how the market works, guys. Come on. You know, starting from the 22nd to 2nd of February, we're going to see a potential bottom in Bitcoin. We have broken below 39,000, liquidated everybody. Right now, they want to sell. They want to get the fuck out, and we're going to wreck them for the upside. And it's really simple as that, easy as that. And it's about to come in really, really hardly for the upside. And if you're not able to take advantage of that, and if you weren't able to do it, then you got to question who you are listening, first off. And second off, what is making your decision? Like, what makes your decision-making process that hard that you weren't able to get prepared for it? You know, what is the problem over here? You got to figure that shit out. That's the most important thing. right? That's the most important thing for any participant to figure out what they exactly did wrong and how they can make that better. And that's really easy, actually. Well, by the time you look back at your mistake, it should be easy to figure out what you did wrong and actually not do that again. Now, don't bet more than 5% per position. And do not snowball the losers. You know, by the time you snowball, it's too late to go back into that environment, right? And look, sometimes it happens for a reason, and it's a good reason, right? Do not try to push it. What else we got? We got, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum to be potentially bottoming, like Ethereum specifically. Look at this beautiful chart over here. We are retagged in the W. Everybody's not interested. We dump crazy. We are receiving green buy signal. And look, you're telling me we're in a bear market. Come on, get the fuck out of here. What the hell are you talking about? We receive a buying opportunity and you are not able to take advantage of it to book some profits. That's not how you play the game, guys. Come on. That's not how you win. So you should be really careful about who you're listening at these time periods, because a lot of people are going to push the fear on you because you already sold it. So you're going to listen to the people who already actually believe that we are in a bear market, and anybody else you're not going to listen. But I'm not saying we can't go down to 26,200, but we have a plan for it. And you guys know it, you know. 50% accumulation. We already bought in 30%. We're going to put more. I'm going to put more. As soon as I see the momentum set up, I'm going to put more. It's going to be a skyrocketing action that we're going to see, and you're going to miss that wave. And it's going to happen so quick, so fast that you won't be able to buy. And that, there you go. You know, that's what I think is going to happen. And if you pull down a little bit more on, you know, Ethereum, that's fine too. If you go down to 26,200, even if you go down to 10K, we have a plan for it, right? We planned for it. But if you're not saying that you're not buying these dips, you're not playing the game right, if you ask me, because look, there's a buying opportunity right now, clearly, blindly over here on a lot of different metrics, and you're not able to take advantage of it because you're fearful. So just be careful with that. Just be cognizant with that. You still need to, you know, survive if you're in a bear market, but you got to also act towards a potential change in the market to turn for the upside. Right? Think about the worst case, but also still be on the right side of the market in a way that, like, you know, you are accumulating the names, you are buying, you are investing. That's the way to win it big. Now, right now, like if you are searching, researching names, if you are getting into the names that when they are already, you know, on their knees, that's how you can win it big. You can hit it really hard because they already dropped like crazy, guys. A lot of people lost a lot of money, you know. A lot of people did. A lot of money. A shitload of money. This is your time to get it from the weakest hands to invest into them. There you go. All right, let's take a look at the altcoins that we got right now and then end this live stream. So somebody asked me about Phantom in the chat. Let me take a look at it. Yeah, this is just a big trading range over here for Phantom, if you ask me. This is the upper end of the trading range. This is the bottom end of the trading range. We are right in the middle of it. Potentially, we could bounce from here, but I'm not going to invest into this in the long run. What else we got? Let's see. Let's take a look at SER. Somebody asked me this one too. It's potentially bouncing up over here. You know, a cute little W that came in. You know, this may not be a bad buy over here. Maybe we need to put a little bit more money into this. I may actually DCA into this Sunday, tomorrow. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is potential bottoming too. I mean, this is the bottom end of the trading range for Cardano. We went all the way back over here, right? It's probably time to accumulate. If you break that level, this could be a massive dump though. You know, it could be a massive dump quick. You know, it could be quick. A lot of people bought this at like 2 cents, guys. Isn't that crazy? Like they bought it at 2 cents and then it's at like 47x right now, and it was at like 134x for them. That is pretty crazy if you think about it. 134x. You put $1, you make $134. You put 1,000, you made $134,000. You put 10,000, you made so much money, right? 1.3 million. Without even doing anything. So that being case, there's like, you bought it over here. That one guy bought it over here. Like technically, if you're speaking, you bought one like unit of account. There were like 134 people that is bought at these levels to become you. You know, kind of fascinating to think about it. So you're definitely like turning into a whale if you buy at those prices. They're like heavily loading it up, you know. So a lot of people turn into big whales on Cardano for sure. And all the other names too, but specifically this one. And AVAX and Solana too. Alright, let me take a look at one more pick over here and then end this live stream. So we have Nexo. Somebody asked me that Nexo in the chat. Nexo. Wow, this was over there, huh? Around 20 cents over there. 9x from those prices. Still pretty much like just consolidating. You know, it could easily go all the way down over here. These are all shitcoins most likely. But in this range, it is in a buying location, giving us a green buy signal. So probably not a bad time to accumulate if you believe in it. If you think the market is going to turn for the upside, this is the time to buy it a little bit. All right, guys. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. All the best. And I will see you guys on another video tomorrow, as always, around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I want to take a look at more altcoins in tomorrow's live stream, so do not miss that. And if you want to see that, make sure to smash the likes and do not forget to drop a comment down below asking me to look at all you guys' altcoins so that I can look at them tomorrow. That being the case, I will see you guys on another video tomorrow, as always, around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take it easy for now, everybody.